In this video, we'll explore how to create a purchase order from a sales order in CustomBooks, helping you efficiently track your inventory. From the sales order, click Generate and select Purchase Order. This will create a purchase order in CustomBooks, automatically pulling over all items and quantities to order. Next, simply enter the vendor you're purchasing the items from. A link will appear showing that the purchase order was generated from a sales order. Clicking this link will take you back to the original sales order, maintaining a clear connection between the documents. Once all the details are entered, click Save to finalize the purchase order. Back on the sales order, clicking Show and selecting Transactions will display every transaction linked to this sales order. As items are received, the item receipt will appear here, and when the invoice is sent to the customer, it will also be listed. This is just one of the many ways CustomBooks help you manage your inventory and fulfill customer orders seamlessly.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.